What's up, creatives, and welcome to another Romeo show. We've got the art therapy session sorted out for you this evening. Tonight we are going to be drawing this lotus flower right here. Very easy to do. So what were you waiting for, folks? Let's roll the intro. What's up, everybody? How is everyone doing? Hope you've had a good week and good weekend. If you're new to the show, my name is Romeo. I am a sketch artist and life coach, helping you to fulfill any dreams that you may wish that you want to achieve, removing any past trauma through art therapy sessions, one-on-one sessions or group sessions, workshops. They're the sort of things that I like to do. I like to help people to draw out any sort of skills they think they may not have and push them further in careers they want to be leading, and leading a life that is happy for them as well. I also draw people's portraits, drawing to photorealism of their family members, cats, dogs, any of their pets, anything like that. If you want to check out any of my work, go to my website www.romeosketches.co.uk. And if you want me to be doing any sort of sessions with yourself as well, helping you with my art therapy, you can send me an email at romeo@romeosketches.co.uk. Send me an email and I'll get back to you and we can sort something out. Last week I had a network meeting with all the local communities in my area. Absolutely brilliant. We met up at the town hall, got to meet a lot more people in the community, all the things that they're doing, all the stuff they're doing for the homelessness and refugees, and giving people some education and self-help, and giving them all sort of life skills and things like that. So we was talking about each other and everything, and got in contact with quite a few good communities. So I'm going to be joining on board lots of people, doing some workshops with these people in the local area. You're going to be hearing about all this if you're in the Walthamstow area. You're going to be hearing a lot more of these things that we're going to be doing. Bring you guys lots of decent content, lots of nice content on your workshops, helping you to relax, focus through art therapy sessions, drawing sessions, all that sort of thing, helping you with life skills, education, all of that sort of stuff. So we're bringing all that stuff to you guys, and it's going to be absolutely brilliant. So keep your eyes and ears peeled for that, and I shall bring you more information as the time comes more closer to when we're going to be doing these sessions. Last week I also uploaded my William Morris video as well, my little trip down to the William Morris Gallery. Hope you enjoyed that video. I'm going to show you another little video today. It's only going to be a short little video of all the artworks and street art that's in Camden. Very cool artworks. They've always putting up some new stuff, they are. So that's going to be another video that I'm going to be showing you today. But also as well, we are going to be drawing this lotus flower. Very cool flower we're going to be drawing. So we're going to be drawing this one. Very Mandala style. We're going to be using pen and paper, and obviously we're going to be using a pencil as well. And there's going to be some dot work being done in today's video as well. So if you've got the patience and you want to be doing some dot work as well, this is your ticket to be doing some really cool lotus flower drawing. It's a very cool drawing to do as well, and it looks really great as a tattoo as well. I've seen a lot of tattoos like this. So, and it's very relaxing to draw, and it's going to help you to focus and chill out as well. So what you're waiting for, folks? Let's roll the video. And how was that video for you guys? Hope you enjoyed that video. Give us a like if you did. I had my live session last week Friday, so I'm doing live sessions now on my YouTube channel. Drawing mandala drawings, Zentangle patterns, maybe a sketch. It could be anything I'll be drawing. So it is basically a art therapy drawing session that you guys can come along. It's no charge, just come along to it. You can sit around, you can watch me draw, ask me questions, draw yourself as well. It's a very chilled out environment. You know, we have the incense sticks burning, we've got some nice relaxing music as well, and you can have a little chat, see what's going on, all that sort of thing. And, you know, you can talk about anything you like. Talk about art, any sort of things that you're struggling with, art or anything else like that. You can ask questions and just sit back and relax. A very chilled out evening, and that's on a Friday at 8 o'clock. I'm also now monetized on TikTok as well. Absolutely brilliant. So now I'm on TikTok. Oh, so I've been on TikTok now. So I've hit all the so now I'm also now monetized on TikTok as well. So I'll be doing some live videos on TikTok. There will also be drawing videos, how-to videos, very quick sketch videos, maybe full drawings, mandala drawings, same sort of things that I'm doing on my YouTube channel. These ones are not going to be scheduled or anything like that. They will be off the cuff when I do these drawings, when I do these videos. So if you're not following me on TikTok, follow me on TikTok, Romeo _sketches, and you will be notified when I go live on TikTok as well. It's a great little platform to be doing my lives on there now, and obviously getting all the community involved and everybody else involved with my drawings and showcasing all my work and things like that. So the live sessions are going to be absolutely brilliant. I love doing these live sessions and the communication with other people as well. It's great getting that feedback from people, whether it's good or bad. I don't mind at all. You know, it helps me to progress in this art business. I have lots more books on my KDP account as well, so check them out on my website, as well as some new print on demand t-shirt designs as well. Lots of things coming up for Easter, and we did the Mother's Day thing as well. So that was just it that was yesterday. That was on Sunday. So I hope you guys had a great Mother's Day and looked after your mothers and took them out for dinner and things like that. They're all the things that I shall be doing this week. I've got a lot more book projects this week, lots more things to be doing, more videos to be making, lots more drawings to be doing as well. So I best get down to it. And that's the end of the show, folks. Thank you all again for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell, and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. My name is Romeo. This is Romeo Sketches. Signing off.